Hello and welcome back to the BEEiLab channel. In today's video, we're delving into the world of dictionaries in Python. So, without further ado, let's explore the fundamentals of dictionaries. A dictionary is an unordered and mutable collection of key-value pairs, denoted by curly braces. Unlike lists and tuples, dictionaries are not indexed by a range of numbers, but rather by unique keys. Before we dive into the code, let's understand the concepts of keys and values in dictionaries. In Python dictionaries, each piece of data is associated with a unique identifier called a key. Think of keys as labels that help us access specific information within the dictionary. Keys are required to be unique. Each key corresponds to one specific value. Values, on the other hand, are the actual data associated with the keys. These can be of any data type: integers, strings, lists, or even other dictionaries. Now, let's see these concepts in action with an example. Suppose we want to create a dictionary to store information about students in a class. In this case, student names could be the keys, and their respective ages would be the values. For example, Alice, Bob, and Charlie are keys, and their associated ages, 25, 30, 35, are values. Each student's name serves as a unique key, allowing us to easily retrieve their age from the dictionary. Now that we understand the basics, let's delve into the creation of dictionaries in Python. In this example, we create a dictionary named my_dict where Alice, Bob, and Charlie are keys, and their respective ages, 25, 30, 35, are the associated values. Next, we demonstrate how to retrieve information from the dictionary. By using the keys Alice and Bob, we access the corresponding values, 25 and 30. There is another method for accessing the items of a dictionary called get. Let's explore the get method in dictionaries through a practical example. In this example, we use the get method to retrieve the ages of two students, John and Sarah. The get method allows us to access the value associated with a specific key in the dictionary. If the key is present, it returns the corresponding value; otherwise, it returns none, or a default value, if specified. Additionally, we can utilize the get method to access specific values associated with keys. Let's explore these concepts with a practical example. Similarly, you can access all the ages using the values method. Let's break down the code. Here, all_ages is assigned the result of student_ages.values, which is a view object containing all the ages in the dictionary. Now, let's explore another useful method in dictionaries called items. This method allows us to retrieve both keys and their corresponding values as pairs. Here's a practical example. In this example, the items method returns a view object containing tuples, each representing a key-value pair from the dictionary. When printed, you'll see all the items, providing insight into the relationships between the students' names and their ages. Now, let's explore how we can modify and update a dictionary in Python. Here's a breakdown of the code. In the first part of the code, we modify the age of Alice using the square bracket notation. This notation allows us to access the value associated with the key Alice and update it to 23. Next, we demonstrate adding a new student to our dictionary. In this case, we added Sarah with an age of 18 to the dictionary. Moving on, we use the update method to change the age of John. This method is particularly useful for updating existing entries. Here, we set John's age to 29. Continuing with the update method, we add another new student, Jack, to our dictionary. This showcases how the method can be employed to both update existing keys and add new ones efficiently. Now, it's your turn. In your Python dictionary representing student ages, introduce a new student named Alex with an age of 25 and update the age of Bob to 22. Once you've made these changes, share the modified dictionary in the comments section below. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You can find code examples on our GitHub page. Stay tuned for future tutorials and we'll see you in the next video.